Why does your paycheck vanish faster than a Tinder match after they see your real car? Seriously, 1 second you get paid, and the next you're broke as staring at your bank app like it's ghosted you. What's up, legends? I'm your host, the anti-boring money guy. You know, unlike those suit-wearing gurus who explain finance like it's a hostage negotiation. Here we talk cash with facts, humor, and a little bit of roast season. So smash that like button and subscribe. Let's be real. Payday hits and you feel like a baller. You're in the Uber Eats app ordering sushi you can't pronounce, swiping yes on Amazon deals like it's Black Friday in your brain. But then, 3 days later, you're Googling how to make ramen gourmet. We've all been there. Your paycheck is like that toxic ex. It shows up, makes you feel good for 48 hours, and then poof, gone, without a trace. Here's the ugly truth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American household spends about $72,967 per year, 2023 Consumer Expenditure Survey. That's over $6,000 a month just bleeding out of your bank account. And where does it go? Housing eats 33%, transportation guzzles 16%, food chomps 12%, and healthcare drains another 8%. Translation, most people's money is already pre-spent before it even hits their account. No wonder you feel broke as the system mugged you legally. Let's break it down like you're 5, but with adult problems. Say you make $4,500 a month after taxes. Rent or mortgage, around $1,500 to $1,800 gone. Car payment plus gas plus insurance, that's $600 to $800. Food, $500 if you're sane, $900 if you're DoorDash Dave. Healthcare premiums and copays, $400. Subscriptions, $60 for Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, and that OnlyFans you swear you'll cancel next month. Boom, that's already $3,500 to $4,000, which leaves maybe $500 to your name. And guess what? One emergency, like your tire blowing out or your dog eating a sock, will yeet that leftover cash straight into the void.
See, there are two types of paycheck people. Average broke Bob. Bob makes $4,500 a month and spends $4,600. His credit card balance is higher than his GPA, and he treats buy now, pay later like free money. Investor Irene. Irene makes the same $4,500 but knows how to budget, invest, and tell Amazon no once in a while. She turns her leftover cash into assets, while Bob turns his into late fees. Don't be Bob. Nobody respects Bob. Bob is broke, sweaty, and still Venmo requesting $3.50 from his friend for that one Uber ride. Here's the bigger problem. Most people don't have a spending issue, they have a priority issue. They act like money is supposed to vanish. Oh, it's fine, everyone lives paycheck to paycheck. Nah, that's loser talk. You've been trained to normalize financial chaos. The Federal Reserve literally found that 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing. That's terrifying. Imagine being one flat tire away from financial ruin. That's not freedom, that's financial handcuffs. But here's the mindset shift. Your paycheck isn't disappearing because life is expensive. It's disappearing because you're playing the game like a consumer, not like an owner. Think about it. Every dollar you spend makes someone else rich. Starbucks Karen drops $7 a day on lattes. Boom, Starbucks shareholders smile. Netflix Chad spends $15 a month. Reed Hastings buys another yacht. Meanwhile, you're crying into your microwave noodles because you couldn't say no to Uber Eats for one damn week. Here's the blunt truth. Until you treat your paycheck like a tool, not a toy, you'll always feel broke. You don't have to invest like Warren Buffett. Just start small. Cut one useless expense, stash $100 a month into an index fund, and watch compound interest body slam your future broke self. Because guess what? Future you doesn't want to still be broke, wearing Costco jeans and begging HR for a 25-cent raise. Future you wants options, like quitting a toxic job, traveling without debt, or telling your boss to shove it politely. So here's your challenge. Stop being broke Bob. Stop letting your paycheck disappear like a magician's rabbit. Track where your money actually goes, slap your dumbest expenses in the face, and redirect that cash toward freedom. Yeah, it's not sexy. Nobody brags about maxing their Roth IRA at the bar. But you know what's really sexy? Not being broke as F at 40. So next time payday hits, remember this. You can either keep funding Jeff Bezos' divorce settlements, or you can start building your own wealth. The choice is yours, champ. Now hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on the dumbest thing you ever blew your paycheck on. Mine was a hoverboard in 2016. Don't ask. And until next time, keep your money up, not your excuses.